fryer chicken nuggets that taste better than McDonald's. Hey nugget lovers, are you still buying expensive fast food chicken nuggets when you could be making restaurant quality ones at home? What if I told you there's a simple air fryer method that creates nuggets so crispy and delicious, they'll make McDonald's taste like cardboard? Today we're revealing the game-changing technique for homemade chicken nuggets that will blow your mind. And trust me, once you try this method, you'll never waste money on drive-through nuggets again. But seriously, can homemade nuggets really compete with the fast food giants that spend millions perfecting their recipes? And what makes some homemade nuggets amazing while others turn out dry and flavorless? Let's solve these nugget mysteries once and for all. First, let's address what makes McDonald's nuggets so addictive. It's the perfect combination of crispy coating, juicy interior, and distinctive flavor. But here's the secret. You can recreate and improve on that formula at home. So how do you make air fryer chicken nuggets that actually taste better? Here's the complete game-changing method. Here are the 3 key secrets that make these nuggets absolutely incredible. First, the double coating technique. Instead of basic breadcrumbs, we're using seasoned flour, buttermilk, and panko breadcrumbs mixed with crushed cornflakes. This creates an incredibly crispy exterior that stays crunchy longer than any fast food nugget. But here's what's crucial. The cornflakes add signature crunch while buttermilk keeps the chicken incredibly juicy. Second, perfect seasoning blend. What makes these taste better than McDonald's? A secret spice mix of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a touch of MSG that creates addictive umami flavor. The key is seasoning both the chicken and the coating for maximum flavor impact. Third, optimal air frying technique. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 10 to 12 minutes. Flipping once halfway through with a light oil spray for extra crispiness. This creates nuggets that are crispy outside and incredibly tender inside. So what makes these homemade nuggets actually superior? Here's the breakdown. For taste, fresh chicken breast seasoned properly tastes infinitely better than processed nugget meat. Plus, you control the flavors. For texture, air fryer nuggets get crispier than deep-fried versions because hot air circulation creates even browning on all sides. No soggy spots. For health and cost, real ingredients with minimal oil, plus you save about 2/3 the cost of buying McDonald's nuggets. Now, here are 4 pro tips that make these nuggets absolutely perfect. Pro tip number 1, cut chicken into uniform 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Inconsistent sizes mean some nuggets will be overcooked while others are underdone. Pro tip number 2, let coated nuggets rest for 5 minutes before air frying. This allows the coating to set properly and prevents it from falling off during cooking. Pro tip number 3, don't overcrowd the air fryer basket. Cook in batches if necessary. Nuggets need space for proper air circulation. Pro tip number 4, spray nuggets lightly with oil halfway through cooking for extra golden color and restaurant quality crispiness. Here's your quick recipe. Cut 1-pound chicken breast into bite-sized pieces and season. Set up coating, seasoned flour, buttermilk, panko-cornflake mixture. Double coat each piece, rest 5 minutes, air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping once. The bottom line, these air fryer chicken nuggets don't just compete with McDonald's. They absolutely destroy them in taste, texture, and quality while saving you money. Have you tried making homemade chicken nuggets? What's your favorite dipping sauce? Drop a comment below. If this video convinced you to try homemade nuggets, smash that like button, subscribe for more amazing air fryer recipes, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, this is Kitchen Deals for You, where we help you make restaurant quality food at home for less.